Sound setup. Please check before setting the sound. If the original vehicle has optical fiber cable, please remove it from the original connector to the new one. Please connect or disconnect the GND cable according to the original vehicle system to avoid sound distortion issue. Sound transmission methods. AUX cable transmission. Please connect the AUX cable to the aux port in your vehicle. If your mobile phone's Bluetooth is connected to the original vehicle's Bluetooth, please disconnect it. Please return to the main menu page. Please select Multimedia. Please select External Devices. Please select AUX Front. Please adjust the volume of AUX. It cannot be 0. Please touch the screen to switch to the new system. Please turn on CarPlay. Okay, now, you can play music. Troubleshooting AUX input issues. Bluetooth transmission. For vehicles with OEM vehicle Bluetooth, which supports both phone calls and music, return to the main page of the new system and select Setup. Please select System. Please turn on Use Cars BD channel. Please select Home. Please switch to the original vehicle system. Please turn on the original vehicle's Bluetooth page. Please turn on the mobile phone's Bluetooth page and connect to the original vehicle's Bluetooth. Please return to the main menu page. Please select Multimedia. Please select External Devices. Please select the Bluetooth name of your mobile phone. Please touch the screen to switch to the new system. Please turn on CarPlay. Okay, now, you can play music. Troubleshooting vehicle Bluetooth audio issues. Warm reminder. The vehicle's Bluetooth sound mode only supports CarPlay and Android Auto. If you are using screen mirroring or USB to play music or videos, please use AUX sound mode.